Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see secret recovery phrase in Metamask. So let's get started. To get started, open your Metamask app and click on the settings icon down here at the bottom right. From there, go to Security and Privacy. Once you're in Security and Privacy, you'll see an option called Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Click on it, and here's where you need to be cautious. Metamask will remind you of something very important. Make sure you never share your recovery phrase in public, like I'm doing right now. Click on Get Started. Now Metamask will ask two questions. You have to select right answer. After giving the right answer, click on Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your Metamask password to continue. This adds an extra layer of security. Let me enter my password and get access. Now, if you will hold this button, it will show you your secret phrase. When you're ready to recover your wallet, make sure you enter these words in the exact order they appear. If you enter them wrong, you won't be able to recover your wallet. And that's how you see secret recovery phrase in Metamask. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.